Guys, what you're about to see is a powerful hoof restoration for a horse in serious need of care. This horse is in bad shape, and thankfully, the farrier has stepped in to help. You can immediately see that the hoof is dirty, caked in mud and grime. The farrier wastes no time and begins cleaning the hoof thoroughly. This step is crucial before any trimming can begin. Now that the hoof is clean, it's time for the trimming process. He picks up the hoof and starts working on the frog, that central V-shaped part of the hoof. It's severely overgrown, which is likely the reason the horse was feeling discomfort. The farrier trims it with precision, making sure not to go too deep, but enough to restore its natural shape. This is one of the most sensitive and essential parts of the hoof. It acts like a shock absorber. If left overgrown, it can interfere with the horse's gait and cause pain. With the frog trimmed and in better shape, the farrier now moves to the sides of the hoof, using his hoof knife to gently remove the dirty outer layers. As he works, you'll notice a clean, whitish layer starting to appear, and that's a great sign. That healthy layer shows the hoof is now breathing again and on its way to proper form. Next comes the clippers, a tool used to trim the hoof edges. Think of it like cutting your nails, but here, every cut is designed to bring balance and symmetry to the hoof, especially for a new horseshoe to fit perfectly. This shaping helps the horse walk naturally and comfortably without stress on its legs. And now we come to the final part, the rasp. With this tool, the farrier smooths and balances the hoof. He works on the underside and edges to ensure the hoof is flat and even, preventing any pressure points when the horse walks. This final step completes the restoration, and the horse can now stand and walk without pain. It's amazing how much difference proper hoof care can make in a horse's life. If you enjoyed this transformation, like the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming hoof restorations.